Inside an apple are many tiny air pockets. In fact, about 20 to 25% of an apple's volume is air. These air spaces make the fruit less dense than water, so it floats instead of sinking. Objects float when they are less dense than the liquid they are in. Since the average density of an apple is lower than water, the water pushes it upward, keeping it on the surface. Because apples float, they are often used in the popular game Bobbing for Apples. People try to grab floating apples from a tub of water using only their mouths. Some fruits sink because they are denser and have fewer air pockets. Apples are special because their internal structure helps trap air. Whether it is a red, green, or yellow apple, most varieties still float because they share the same spongy flesh structure with air spaces. Now you know why apples float in water. If you love learning fun facts like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.